Streamlining your spaces. How to tactfully eliminate just-in-case and someday clutter. Decluttering can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to letting go of items we keep just in case or for some future use. In the next few minutes, we will discuss 3 tips for decluttering these items and what to do if we end up needing them in the future. By focusing on facts rather than feelings, we can create a simplified and manageable home environment. Tip 1. Move from feelings to facts. When decluttering, it's common to feel anxious about making a mistake or getting rid of something we might need in the future. However, it's important to shift our focus from feelings to facts. Instead of worrying about potential scenarios, consider the actual facts. Will you be able to find an alternative item, borrow it from someone, or replace it if necessary? Tip 2. Explore alternatives. In most cases, there are alternative options available when we declutter just-in-case items. For example, if you declutter your ice cream scoop, you can use a large spoon instead. Similarly, if you donate a specific dress, you can find another suitable outfit for the occasion. Embrace your creativity and resourcefulness to find alternatives rather than holding on to unnecessary items. Tip 3. Set a budget for replacements. To alleviate the fear of needing a decluttered item in the future, consider setting a budget for replacements. Allocate a specific amount, such as $100 per year, to repurchase items if necessary. This budget can act as a safety net, allowing you to move forward with decluttering while still having the option to replace items if needed. However, you'll likely find that you rarely need to use this budget, as creativity and resourcefulness often provide alternative solutions. The link between clutter and stress. Clutter can contribute to higher stress levels and a sense of chaos in our living spaces. Research has shown a correlation between clutter and procrastination, as well as increased frustration and life dissatisfaction, particularly among older adults. By decluttering and creating a simplified home environment, we can reduce stress and create a safe haven where we can recharge and feel at ease. Conclusion. Decluttering just-in-case or someday items can be challenging, but by focusing on facts rather than feelings, exploring alternatives, and setting a budget for replacements, we can overcome the fear of making mistakes. Remember that our creativity and resourcefulness can often provide solutions, and the goal is to create a simplified and manageable home environment. By decluttering, we can reduce stress, increase satisfaction, and create a safe haven in our homes. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.